Hello everyone, welcome to some basic tech. And today, when I logged in with the user, that is Krakow, and when I came to EC2 instances section, and I just see that I'm getting this error that it's not resolving, and the error is exception while fetching data source EC2 instance software, and then you are not authorized to perform this operation. But at the end, on this user, I have full access to perform everything. But now, very end, if you can see here, the policy is something that allow AP South 1 only. Okay, and if you click to Amazon with diagnostic, I mean Amazon Q, this is the AI feature enabled to identify error, and here we can see this is the error, and here the policy is not authorized to perform EC2 instance explicit deny in the identity based policy. It means, and here I am only allowed, I mean this user is only allowed on this one, right? That's the reason he is not able to perform. And AP South 1 is a Mumbai, and I am currently in Virginia. Okay, so here you need to go and change the region. Now it's a South AP 1. Okay, AP South 1, sorry. And once you change, you should see one of his stopped instances here, and we are not getting any error, something like that. Okay, so this is the way you can identify the error, and by just reading the error we can figure it out what exactly the issue is. So hope you will understand, and if you're still facing any issue, you can let me know and comment on the video. I will definitely help you out, and if you like the channel, kindly do subscribe, share, and like. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.